Sai Priyanka. My roll number is 33 under guidance of GNR Prasad sir, Sadashiv sir. My topic is Vehicle Monitoring and Security System. Introduction of VMSS. The Vehicle Monitoring System Security is a GPS based vehicle tracking system that is used for security application. The project it is used to main underlying concepts. These are GPS Global Positioning System and GSM Global System for Mobile Communications. The main application of this system in this context is tracking the vehicle to which the GPS is connected, giving the information about its position whenever required, and for the security of each person traveling by the vehicle. For this we use GSM module which has an antenna to thus we have at the base station the complete data about the vehicle. And of all applications of GPS vehicle tracking and navigational system have brought this technology to the day-to-day life of common man. Today GPS fitted cars, ambulances, fleets and police vehicles are common sights on the roads of developed countries, known by many names such as automatic vehicle locating system, vehicle tracking and information system, mobile asset management system. This system offers an effective tool for improving the operational efficiency and utilization of the vehicles. And GPS is used in the vehicle for both tracking and navigation. Tracking system enable a base station to keep track of the vehicles without the intervention of the driver, whereas navigation system helps the driver to reach the destination. Whether navigation system or tracking system, the architecture is more or less similar. The navigation system will have convenient, usually a graphic display for the driver, which is not needed for the tracking system. Vehicle tracking system combine a number of well-developed technologies, and this is the vehicle monitoring and security system design, sir. And stages of vehicle monitoring and security system. There has 5 stages of vehicle monitoring and security system. First stage, driver starts his trip from the transport office. Vehicle monitoring system and security system transmits the driver ID and the vehicle ID along with the position of the vehicle to the base station. And this is the first stage design, sir. And stage 2, taxi pick up that employee or passenger from their residence. This system transmit the passenger ID and the vehicle ID along with the position of the vehicle to the base station. Therefore, base station will be able to keep a track of the vehicle and thus the employee or passenger. And stage 3, taxi drops the employee or passenger to the workplace. This system transmits the passenger ID and the vehicle ID along with the position of the vehicle to the base situation. And this is the third stage design, sir. Stage 4, taxi picks up the employee or passenger from the workplace. This system transmits the passenger ID and the vehicle ID along with the position of the vehicle to the base station. Therefore, this enables the base station to estimate the time and required and also keep a track of the vehicle, passenger and the driver. Stage 5, taxi drop the employees or passenger to their residence. This system transmits the passenger ID and the vehicle ID along with the position of the vehicle to the base station and make sure that the job is 100% completed. And this is the architecture. Conclusion. In this modern, fast-moving and insecure world, it has become a basic necessity to the aware of one's safety. Maximum risk occurs in situations wherein an employee travels for money transaction. Also, the company to which he belongs should be aware if they're in some place. Mm, if a person traveling can be tracked and also secured in the case of an emergency, um, and this system can deal with both tech and security. Thank you, sir.